Alrighty guys, so we've got our plate loaded dead bug with a 45-degree reach. Now, our dead bugs are good for our oblique sling on our anterior chain, so at the front, and by oblique sling, I mean one shoulder to the opposite hip. The beauty with this dead bug movement is we're starting to incorporate a lot more stability. So when we go through our normal dead bug, it's opposite hand, opposite leg coming out. It's quite easy to master once you've got it down pat and the brain can work, moving opposite arm, opposite leg. It is very easy to master. So we're now trying to challenge that oblique sling a little bit more. So very standard when we set up, we're in our dead bug position. So the cues again, my lower back, I'm pushing hard down into the ground. I, of course, don't want to bring those knees too far forward. I want to try and stay at a right angle. From here, if I'm moving my left leg out, I want to then come over 45 degrees to the angle. From there, I would then rotate, going over the other side, making sure the whole time that core stays locked on and the lower back is driven hard into the ground. Now, of course, we don't need a lot of weight, and you'll probably hear the shake in my voice. It is quite challenging. And remember, guys, you are also working on that 45 degrees. So we don't want to come straight out 90 degrees. We also don't want to go straight above the head. We're working roughly on that 45. As we are working on that 45, and I'm dropping that opposite leg out, I'm trying to contract and bring in. So I'm trying to make that length between the opposite shoulder and hip shorter by contracting. The whole time I'm trying to keep those hips driven into the ground. Of course, there'll be a slight bit of rotation. However, that lower back stays flat. So we're keeping that core at the front, our anterior chain, nice and locked on.